Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to unlock the aspect ratio in Canva. This lets us freely resize elements without keeping their original proportions. It's useful when we want more control over our designs and need to adjust the width and height separately. On the Canva dashboard, to unlock the ratio, we simply click the image and we'll see this lock button. We click it to unlock, so we can now edit the image. From here, we can crop it however we like, change the aspect ratio, rotate it, and even use Smart Crop if needed. Once we're done, we just click Done. We can also adjust the transparency or animate the image. When we're finished, we click Lock again to secure it. That's how we unlock the aspect ratio in Canva and resize our elements exactly the way we want. It's a simple trick that gives us more flexibility when designing.